The National Weather Service in Sioux Falls has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Jackson County in southwest Minnesota, northeastern Nobles County in southwest Minnesota, until 2:45 p.m. At 2:19 p.m. National Weather Service meteorologists were tracking a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located 7 miles south of Fulton, or 10 miles north of Worthington, and moving east at 20 miles per hour. This tornadic storm will be near Brewster around 2:35 p.m. Parent Lake around 2:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Kinbray, Dundee, and O'Cabanna. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, the vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.